We are pleased to show you the 2015 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, traction control, Bose sound system, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, backup camera, remote vehicle start, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.